All right, welcome to another random review and how-to. Today I am going to be switching out my starter, which is located right here. I already got my bolts loosened. I went in, there's 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3 that you got to loosen up. Pretty much the symptom here is my tractor is not starting. If you've seen this channel before, you know I changed the solenoid in the back underneath. That seemed to fix the problem I had about a year ago with it not starting. That piece was all melted. Now we're having the same symptoms, not starting up. It just cranks, it won't turn over. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this. I got a link down below to this specific product, the specific starter that I switched with. It's a knockoff brand from Amazon. You can find that down below. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe. Let's go ahead and take this guy off. Now we got the old one out. Here's our new one. So we can go ahead and stick this up in. It's going to go this way. That little screw down there hanging forward. And stick it up in and put the bolts back in. So what I want to show you real quick is on this starter, it springs up. And the reason for that is if you can see up in here, you can see these gears where it catches somewhere in there, right there. There's some gears. And it's going to catch those gears to spin and start the motor. All right, so I came out and actually sprayed this all down. It was super dirty, as you probably saw. So everything here, of course, I missed that little piece. I'll tighten that down in a second. But I have to jump my battery most days. So I think my battery's probably getting close to being dead too. So everything's done. Washed it off. I had to go in. I got a big flathead. Inside you could get the gears. I just kind of moved them around to loosen them up, make sure it was grabbing the teeth right. And let's go ahead and give it a turn.